Struggling to make your brand memorable, posting content every day but not able to attract right clients? The truth is, most businesses fail because they don't decode their brand DNA. Let's break it down so that you can fix it today. Number one, no clear purpose, which builds no clear connection. If you don't know why your brand exists, your audience, your brand existence reason, you will not be able to attract the clients. People buy into a mission, not just the product. So you need to know what is the purpose of your business existence. Here's how you can fix it. Define your brand purpose beyond just making money. It should be something which is about creating an impact on a larger scale. Ask yourself, what impact do I want to create from my business? For example, Nike's purpose isn't just about selling shoes. It's about empowering the athletes at all levels. Number two, no clear problem, which leading to no need for your brand. If you are not defining the problem you want to solve, you will not be able to make your business stand out. If you're not solving the real pain point, why should people even buy you or consider you? Many businesses fail because they focus on what they want to sell and not what they solve. They don't focus on the customer's need. Here's how you can fix it. Identify the core problem your audience is facing. Make your messaging problem driven because that is how it will help them understand or connect with your business before even giving them any solution. For example, Tesla don't just sell electric cars, they solve the problem of sustainability and innovation in transportation. Number two mistake, no defined persona and talking to everyone and every person. If you are speaking to everyone, you are just not connecting with the right people. You are building no connection, you are not talking to anyone. Your audience needs to feel like your brand was made just for them. Here's how you can fix it. Get very specific about your ideal customer persona like age, value, lifestyle, interest, hobbies, and all. Use your messaging that resonates with them, not just what you are selling as a good or a product. For example, Apple's core audience isn't just about tech users, it's about creativity, innovation, and uh, advancement, right? It's about lifestyle. The number four reason is no pain awareness, hence leading to no emotional connection. If your audience doesn't feel the pain, they won't even see the need for your business, for your brand, for your services or product. Without the pain awareness, your brand feels like optional, not essential. How you can fix this? Highlight your audience's biggest struggles and frustrations. Use storytelling to make them feel the gap where they are currently and where they can reach. It is all about the desire. For example, a fitness coach doesn't just sell workouts. They highlight the struggles of having the weight gain, having low energy, and self-doubt before even positioning their fitness services. Number five reason is no strong product, which leads to no real solution. If your product or service is unclear, people even won't even think of it buying it. Too many businesses struggle because they have a very weak or very less valuable offer or product or service. Here's how you can fix it. Clearly define what you are selling and how it benefits your audience. Make it easy for people to understand what what's in it for them, that is a problem solver. Should give the solution to their biggest problem. Instead of saying I offer business coaching, you can say I help coaches to scale to 5-figure monthly income with a proven 3-step framework of my lead generation. Number 6 reason is no process, leading to confusion and inconsistency. If your process is messy, so is your customer's experience. So instead of having no clarity, lack of clarity will always lead to loss of trust and fewer sales. Here's how you can fix it. Have a very structured delivery process for your services or products. Make it easy for people to understand how they work with you and how you will be guiding them. For example, instead of saying we help businesses with marketing, you can say we help the businesses go through a three-phase growth system that helps to lead them leads, conversions, or inquiries, like brand positioning, lead generation, and sales conversion. And number seven, no promotion strategy. If there is no visibility, there will be no sales. You might have a great product, but if no one knows about it, then no one will even think of buying it. So even random posting will lead to a waste of your marketing and promotion strategy. So here's how you can fix it. Build a consistent promotion plan which can be a mix of both organic and paid ads. Use a mix of social media, content marketing, collaborations, influencer marketing, and many other forms of marketing which is now working in the field. For example, if you are a coach or a consultant, don't just post on about tips, tricks, and normal stuffs. Instead, host workshops, webinars, training sessions, make a list of emails, collaborate with influencers, and start building your authority. So once you have decoded your brand DNA, you will be able to make yourself stand out in the crowd. Which of these are you struggling in your business? Drop it in the comments and let me know. And if you found this valuable, then share it with someone who may need it. And I'll see you in the next video on a new topic.